Hey, and here's a follow-up to my follow-up, because this sun just keeps, it's a gift that keeps on giving this morning. That is one huge, I don't even know what to call it. It looks like, it doesn't look like anything I know. But what's really got me mesmerized is the pillar of light created in the water. It's so incredibly perfect. And it's very fascinating how a spherical object, well, I mean, I don't know that it's a sphere if science wasn't telling me that, but what I'm looking at is a disc. I'm looking at a disc that's creating a pillar in the reflection of the water. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It really is a special moment in time. Had most of, well, 99.999% of humanity in our culture misses every day. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And there's my seal friend telling me to go get dressed and get in the water.